The year function returns the year for all values in a date-time column. Let's begin by creating a beast mode called year. If your date-time column has the date January 1st, 2023, then the function will return 2023. Now, let's see how this looks in our data. It is always a best practice to check your aggregation settings on any column you bring into a card. In this case, we want to make sure the year column is not aggregated. You should also format the column as a number and remove the thousands separator. This helps the data become easier to digest. This function has successfully extracted the year from our date-time column. Thank you for watching. Follow Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.